Hello traders, this is Gbpusd from Snail Trading, and in this video I'm gonna present you my views on British pound against the US dollar. Really, on the weekly chart there's not much to talk about except for this trend line on the 14-week RSI that are putting pressure to the downside. We had a rebound a few weeks ago when prices dropped to 140.79, let's say, and this large bullish candle helped us to consider a potential bullish reversal, and also the rebound was accompanied was followed by a reversal from the oversold threshold on the RSI, confirming the divergence that appears in the indicator. Not much more to say here except for the fact that the recent rally last Thursday and Friday, helped this candle to close higher. It would be really bad if it has to close this low. That would be a clear bearish signal. However, the fact that prices reversed and moved higher before the close of the week is encouraging for the bullish outlook that I maintain. Looking at the daily chart, we see that by drawing a trend line here, although a little abstract with regards to what it actually connects, lows or closing prices, but in fact, even if I move it a little lower here, we see that the trend line exists, and after prices found support of this trend line, we had a sharp reversal to the upside. It happened on Thursday, and prices found resistance at the 21-day SMA, and they moved again lower. Moving underneath the trend line was unstable, and an even stronger reversal occurred, which pushed prices exactly at the level of the SMA. We cannot say for now if prices will break the resistance and move higher, but the reversal in the momentum and the potential cross with the 9-period SMA also points to that direction. That is higher prices for the cable. Looking at the lower time frame to see the internals of that move, we can see also that we had several attempts to move below this channel here, and then we had a fake rebound, rejected at the 144 period SMA. Lower, again resistance here for several 4-hour candles, and then a fake break below, which actually returned and tested the channel from below, only to rebound even in a more sharp and robust way to move inside the candle, breaking above the 144 period SMA and then 21 period SMA, which was providing solid resistance here. And it's not only for this period here, but the 21 period SMA was also providing resistance after being broken here for several times. This was here prices tried to move above it, they were rejected, they tested it again, and they moved lower very sharply. Most of this decline is now recovered by this upside, but prices still lie below the 55 period SMA, and we need a clear break above this SMA to gain more confidence in our bullish scenario, although I personally believe that that will not be a problem. Moving into an even lower time frame, let's go and examine the 1 hour chart, trying to count the moves, those recent moves I see fit this count here, which suggests that we have a 5-wave move to the upside from the lows, and it is fairly well counted, this move, as a 5-wave move. And then we have wave A, B, C for wave B, and another wave C to the downside for wave 2. Then this price action here, which I counted as a 5-wave move also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 1, wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 3, and then wave 4, and another 5-wave move to the upside for wave 5, completed wave 1 here. And since then, this is the top that was reached in the beginning of February, and since then we have overlapping waves, very choppy price action, very challenging to count it with any significant degree of confidence. Let's say the price is broken below the 144 SMA here, and since then it was challenged for some time. This attempt here and a dark cloud pattern, or at least it looked like that, signaled an even sharper decline here last week, but after prices reached the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement of this rally, they continuously being rejected, and with they have been unable to close on 1 hour candle below it. We actually had a close here, but the second candle was a sharp reversal, so we consider this as a failed attempt too. We see several attempts here, and followed by a very sharp rally, which counts well as an impulse, and I believe that it will continue to the upside, breaking above every single resistance in its way, if it is indeed a wave 3. The problem with this count here is that first of all, those ABCs, as I count them here, are fairly acceptable, I would say, but in our wave Z here, the length of wave A compared to wave wave C is very short. And the other problem is that if this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, this must be a truncation, and it doesn't look very well as an impulse to the downside, this move. However, it could be something like an ending diagonal that has taken a strange form, and this is not uncommon for the British pound. The situation here is that we don't have a new low below this low, and if wave 2 has ended here, we have a 3-wave move followed by a 3-wave move, let's say, to the downside, making a new low, which cannot be counted in any way as an impulse. The other possibility would be that we have something like wave 1, A, BC, but again the internal does not encourage discount, so I prefer the scenario where wave 5 of C of Z of 2 was a truncation here, which is actually a very bullish signal, and after a candle of indecision here, this is a doji, we have a very large bullish candle, indecision, and a hammer, which I don't know if it would be a hammer or a hanging man, but the following candle, which is a very large compared to the others, a very large bullish candle, suggests that this is a hammer, not a hanging man. Prices to continue to the upside, and to summarize here, momentum is bullish in the short term, although on the weekly, of course, is still bearish, and the daily is still bearish, but is attempting to make a cross with the 9-day SMA of the 14-day RSI. And if a cross occurs and it moves above the 50 neutrality area of the indicator, that would be a clear bullish reversal signal, together with the fact that in order to happen this, the prices have to move above the 21-day SMA, which will be another bullish supportive signals. That's all for now, and we'll have to wait for more data to come on the chart to see how this analysis will unfold. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next week.